Recoveryfix Converter for OLM is an advanced utility that can facilitate the OLM to PST conversion in few clicks. Let's explore the advanced features of this utility. Convert single or multiple OLM files into various formats given on your screen. Provides advanced data filters, including date filter, item type filter, and excludes deleted or empty folders for precise data conversion. Maintains original data hierarchy intact throughout the conversion process. It provides a simple and interactive user interface to carry out the process without having any technical expertise. Now, check out the basic system requirements before installing the software. Pentium class processor. Minimum memory space of 64 megabytes. Disk space of 50 megabytes for file restoration. 50 megabytes space for software installation. Let's explore the detailed working process of this feature-rich software. Enter Recoveryfix Converter for OLM in the search box and open it. You can see the plus icon on the software's homepage. Click on it to add OLM files. A new wizard will pop up. Open the folders that contain OLM files or select single or multiple files as needed. Click on the Select option when all the OLM files are selected. OLM files are added. If you want to add more files, then utilize the plus icon showing you on the screen. Similarly, if you want to remove individual files, then utilize the minus icon or remove all the files by using the bin icon. Once the files are added, click the Set Filter and Migrate option to proceed. In following dialog box, you have two options. OLM files conversion option for converting single or multiple OLM files into PST format. Another option is for selected folder conversion. Note, this option allows you to view all the folders of selected OLM files on the screen. Besides that, you can also select the specific folders of OLM files based on their importance. A new filter selection window is opened, and the tool will provide different filters for selective data conversion. Enable the date filter by clicking on the checkbox in front of it, then select the From Date and To Date by clicking on the three dots. After that, utilize the Item Type filter to convert specific OLM file items. These item type filters include email, journal, tasks, contacts, and calendars or appointments. Choose any one of them by clicking on the checkbox in front of them. Additionally, you have two more filters. Exclude Deleted Folder Items. Exclude empty folders. Utilize to exclude the deleted or empty folders from conversion. Click on Start Migration when you have applied all the filters as you required. The software allows you to save your OLM files in 8 different formats, including PDF, PST, MSG, Docs, HTML, MHT, and YAML. Here, we are selecting PST as an output type for conversion. After the output type selection is done, you can choose Split PST File after option to divide large OLM mailboxes into multiple PST files. Here, you have the option to determine the split size in gigabytes or megabytes at your convenience. You can utilize the enabled failed item conversion logs to be aware about the failed conversion items. Choose your desired destination path by using the Browse option. Once it is done, click OK to continue. You can see the conversion progress on your screen. A message will pop up after the conversion process is completed, along with the file saving location. Click on the given location to access your converted file instantly. By following these simple steps, you can convert your OLM files into PST format with the help of the Recoveryfix Converter for OLM. To know more about the software's advanced features, check out the given link.
Have a great day.